All right, so we're going to run Day of the Remains. For anybody out there that wants a fast way to level up your heroes, you can do it on any challenge you want. You're better off doing it on challenge 1 or challenge 2. We're still kind of determining if the challenge level affects the gear drops. The devs had said it doesn't. I thought it did, but I might have thought wrong because we just ran on challenge 1 and got a bunch of gear. So I'll just run this on challenge 2. Challenge 2 is easy. And yeah, we are running a heavy PIM particle, PIM payload build. And we're gonna speed run the whole thing. We're gonna full clear it. 2 shield vaults, multiple chests, multiple elites, and a couple fire adaptoid bosses. It takes about 10 minutes. Not bad.
Some of my people are waiting at the rendezvous point, but there's been a new development. That's never good.
So this is my new main. I was a Hulk main since the game came out, and a couple days ago decided time to work on Widow, and by the time Widow was level 20 and 40 power, she was already significantly out DPSing Hulk, and I'm just like, I am done with Hulk.
Nobody's trying to stop them,
and I love her.
Except us. But you know that's a pretty big us. So
she is very, very efficiently built. She's only wearing purples, 130 purples, but she's stacked heavy for Valor, Proficiency, and Might, which is melee damage, crit rate, and crit damage.
How we doing, Hank?
So you hit that checkpoint there, and then you just run left. I'm going to run directly to the wall because I don't want to aggro the extra mobs. There's extra mobs in the middle here. We're skipping the trash mobs just to try to do this as quick as possible. So there's mobs over there. We'll end up pulling a couple of them, but not enough to matter.
What kind of toys are we talking?
I'm guessing big explodey fire ones.
Good guess. There's a shield cache near to you.
It's shield.
There's going to be 2 chests in here, and you will also get a vault map. So there's always 2 chests in this first one, and there's always 3 chests in the next one. So that should save you some searching. It never deviates from that. I spent a lot of time looking for 3 chests in that first vault until I finally realized
Did we expect everything to be on fire?
I don't think so.
Every time it's like that.
Good, just checking.
And next up, we're just heading right to the objective.
We need to get those Inhumans before the watchdogs do.
Straight to the objective, which is another vault. And after that, we'll get an elite pack and a chest and another elite.
Back off, Fido. The Avengers! They're here! Too late. These freaks are ours. Round them up! There appears to be an old shield cache close to your location.
Stand down. Fine.
That did it. Theo, work your magic. You're safe now.
Let my team kill the rest of them. And I will have a loot waiting for me when I go up there. Next target is on the road.
Thank you.
Grab my heroic
All right,
orbs
come on,
actually.
let's go. Watchdogs aren't happy. Reinforcements headed your way. We'll cover your exit. Go.
One more.
If you hurry, you can ambush the watchdogs before they get to you.
So the next target is on the road, right up there.
And it was going so well for you.
There is an elite AIM unit near you. Defeat them, and you may gain something useful.
Not your smart. Enemy down. Kind of low here. Oh, freaking awesome.
How about a heal, Kamala? Can you heal anymore? Next target is a chest right there.
There is a chest with special resources close to your location. They've set up some kind of blockade on the road. We'll break through.
And then Elite's coming up.
Hey, watchdogs! You looking for us? Capture the Avengers. You want to protect these monsters? You can die like one! Look for a chest with gear nearby. You're a disgrace! No one else falls! You got it? Stand up and fight! Forget the weak! Did that hurt? Ooh, did that
Oh,
hurt?
what a whiff.
That looked like it hurt.
Alright, let's get him down.
Oh, better.
Where the hell did he go? Whiff. It's this situation that makes me wish I played on keyboard and mouse.
Hank, what's going
I would
on
hit
out there?
those.
I think we found what set the forest on fire.
So if you have Iron Man
It's
or
closer to
a
you than it
Widow,
is to
you can
us.
get this
We need
one
some time
here.
to get everyone aboard the Quinjet.
2 chests in this building,
That we can do.
at least.
Let's get these punks.
Is that supposed to be cool?
You know what? You spend too much time with Nat. I am cool.
Not in this forest.
And the next one is not switches, so this is random which one you
and
get.
I'm uncool? Come on,
Oh
that was
no,
way
I got the
worse.
bugged one. So this one's bugged. Have you had this one,
Don't you
Couch?
humor me.
No, it's not. It's not. Touch those two. Touch those two.
Uh-huh.
Go up to the
fun.
right. Go
Huh.
up. Go left. Go left. Through the fan. Punch through the fan.
What? I
Right
did
there.
not know that. Okay. Huh. I thought that was bugged. The more you know. Well, that worked out good because I'm sure somebody else thought that was bugged too. How's it going, J Money? Good to see you. Yeah, I could see through the wall that they were inside there, and I'm like, what the hell kind of crap is that? Yeah, how you doing, J Money? We're just doing Day of the Remains run, kind of a tutorial run. I'm hopeful that one of my editors can produce a highlight from this in a minute here, because I've been explaining stuff as we go. And we have a chest and a rescue here, and then right after this it's boss time.
Appreciate the help, Avengers.
Now we just go straight to the fire adaptoids. Just figured that out? Oh, you're talking about the going through the fan? Yeah, I thought it was a bugged one. Ow. Oh, he's leading the shots beautifully. Nice. You're right where I was going. Hurry up and explode, please.
Guess I do, but
Oh, no. Use that. Just great. I have PIM particles and PIM payloads stacked on the whole team. It's pretty nice. Everybody shrinks everything. Look at him. Picking up the little guy. Not so scary when they're tiny.
Well, that's all of them.
Better get those Inhumans out of here.
Pim, you are clear for takeoff. Almost there, guys.
Just one more.
And that is how you run Day of the Remains. And yeah, we'll see how much loot I have, but it's really, really efficient way. So if you were doing that on a character that wasn't 130 power yet, every time you got a piece or two of gear, you would be opening your inventory and putting the higher power level on. Always.
Anytime, Dr. Pym.
Don't even look at the rolls. Don't get attached to gear. If it's higher power level, put it on. Don't bother upgrading it unless you need the skill on it.
You think you're clever,
And you just keep
don't
doing
you?
that. And that's how you gear up
You're
quickly.
welcome. Enjoy your Dreadbot blueprints.